Oh yeah, time to head home, y'all. We've been out here with the big rollers, big ballers in the field. Now we got to find some keys here so we can roll up on out of here. Been a nice show today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now we're gonna see, can we catch some bad drivers on the way out of here? And we're out. This is how we roll up on out of here, y'all. So y'all get the last view of the cars while we rolling on out. We're heading on out, y'all. See y'all on the next one. Wave out at the car show, y'all. All right, all right. Everybody going. And we're out. Whew. Oh man, it was a nice adventure, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now we're heading, we're gonna ride off into the sunset. Gotta get in there before the lights come on. Street lights come on, y'all. Yeah, the sun is a little bright. And Brandon had got the camera hot a few times. Okay, we're gonna say this. Natural is beauty. When you try to put more than you have on natural, it don't become beauty anymore. But we all know we all beautiful inside. Right? Right. Now, hopefully we don't have no traffic, no road construction on the way back. Or we get closer to our destination and have to take a detour. We might have to do that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now, like I said, we're in Hercules. Leaving out of Hercules, we're gonna ride out to Oakland. That's gonna be another part. That's whoa, yeah. Oak Town. Don't frown in that town.